How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. If you're facing issues during a video call on Messenger, then there could be various reasons for this. The first thing you want to check is your internet or Wi-Fi, and make sure you're connected to a very strong internet connection, because if you have a poor connectivity, as a result, you'll not be able to have a proper conversation. Second thing is, if you're using the Messenger app on Android, long press the Messenger app icon, then just tap on this three dots icon and go to I button that says information icon app info. So go to this app info or information icon. Now from here, go to permissions and make sure you've allowed the microphone access. So go to microphone and make sure you've allowed the access. On iPhones, you can open settings, go to privacy and security, and make sure that you've allowed the access in that way. Then after you've done that, what you can do is you can go to storage usage and clear the cache files of Messenger. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Messenger and check if it has an update. And of course, if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.